Hello. Good
Hi,
afternoon, ma'am.
good afternoon. What's your name?
Ma'am, myself, Alfia Korol.
Alfia Karol. Alfia, tell me about
Yeah.
yourself.
Okay. My name is Alfia Korol. I'm from originally from Kerim Sattari, Goa.
Okay,
And
Goa.
yes,
Mhm.
yes, I'm 23 years old.
Okay.
My qualification is I have done BA in English and Hindi.
BA in English and Hindi.
And yes, ma'am. I've done my final BA in Dampe College of Arts and Science, Miramar, Panjim.
Okay. So you have done double graduation.
No, ma'am. At a time, two.
You
Two
have
in
done BA
one.
English and BA Hindi both.
Both, yes.
Yeah, tell me, why do you want to learn English, Alfia?
Ma'am, it's a biggest dream of mine as well as my mother,
Okay.
because we are from a village.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, my mother was from Mapsa, that is a city in Goa. But when she got married, she got married to a person in a village.
She got married to a
So
person in a village.
you can understand what is a
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Okay,
You can
earlier she
understand
was
what is a
living in a
condition of
city.
village and
So
all.
earlier she was living in a city, then she got married in a village.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. So it was her dream as well as she showed her interest in as well as when I completed my 10th standard here in village. For further studies of mine, she took me to city, Panjim, studied with high secondary.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So after that, I did my further studies, my high secondary as well as college studies in Panjim city.
Okay. And it's your
So,
mother's
ma'am, in
dream
my
that you speak
childhood,
English fluently, huh? Your mother wants you to speak
not
English
only
fluently.
not only me, even she wants to learn. She sits with me for such sessions and she speaks with me for
Okay.
practice and all.
Okay. She practices English with you regularly.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah.
Yeah. And she's doing a job
So
also?
no, ma'am. It was her dream.
Mhm.
In the childhood, when I was very small, she used to ask me to speak in English, and she used to speak with me as well as my sister in English, especially with me. But
Okay.
that time I was such a person, like I was feeling angry, and I used to fight with her. Mama, don't speak with me in English. We will become Christian. I used to say her.
Okay.
People
Mhm.
will say us that people will call us Christian. Mama, don't speak with me in English.
Don't
But
speak
later
English
on,
with
as
me.
I came to know yeah. So when
Okay.
I went out of this village,
Mhm.
ma'am, this village is such a village where English is only there as a subject in
Okay.
schools.
Nobody speaks a word of English, you mean to say.
Yeah, yeah.
But they just
Why?
teach English for
Because
exams.
yes.
Mhm.
So even our teachers in school, they don't know to speak in English, and as well as whatever for English subjects, whatever explanation they used to do in Konkani. As you know, our Goan language is Konkani.
Okay. Your teachers
So
don't know how
none
to
of
speak
them
English. Mhm.
they might be knowing, but they never taught us anything in English.
Okay. Okay. They speak Hindi all the time?
No, Konkani.
Konkani. Okay.
Goan language is Konkani.
That is Goan language. So they teach you everything
Yeah,
in Konkani language.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
And your classmates, do they try to speak in English?
No, no, none of them. Never. The main issue.
Okay, so that's the main issue. What are the problems that you are facing when you are trying to learn English? Because nobody speaks English in your area.
Yeah.
Have you
So
ever spoken English with
it
someone
was,
outside your house? Or
yes, ma'am. That's what I'm telling you.
yeah.
Still, my mother, without feeling and having that shame, she used to speak with me. She used to
Mhm.
speak and forcefully. I used to reply her in that anger.
Okay.
And later on, when I completed my 10th standard, we shifted to Panjim from this village.
Okay. Yeah. When you shifted to Panjim city,
Yeah. So from there, I was admitted to that particular high secondary, Our Lady of Rosary High Secondary, that's in Dona Paula, Panjim.
mhm.
So there where only girls were there. It's in girls high secondary,
Okay.
and where English was very compulsory, their
Okay.
language for
Mhm.
each and everything.
Okay.
So from there, I got a habit, and my first attempt was that day when for admission I spoke with them, my sister and all. But later on, when it was the first day of my high secondary in 11th standard, when I was asked to stand up and introduce myself, that time I introduced myself before telling any other thing. I told them, if I do any mistake, then you all may laugh on me because I don't know, because I was not knowing that, I was not having that trust that I can speak properly in English. So I told them, if you all want to laugh, you all may laugh. I will do mistake because I belong to such an area where English is learned only as a subject. None of them knows to speak in English, and we never spoke in English at all in our school life. So now, right now, ma'am, I'm doing a thing after completion of my BA final year. During pandemic, that was in my second year, we returned to my village.
Okay.
My final year for 1.5 years was here. Means I was doing my BA online.
Okay.
Then after that, I started my online spoken classes, online as well as offline spoken classes for my villagers.
Spoken English classes.
Because I want, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Because I wanted to teach them, as well as I wanted to make myself also capable of this thing.
Okay. Actually, I forgot your name again. I'm really sorry.
It's okay. My name is Alfia.
Alfia. Okay, Alfia, let's correct a few mistakes. I hope you won't mind, because by correcting mistakes, you will understand what mistakes you're making, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay, you said when you needed to introduce yourself in class 11 on the first day, you said, if I do any mistakes, you all can laugh. If I make, we don't say do mistakes. If I make any mistakes, you all are allowed to laugh at me.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Shall we do an activity?
Yeah. You may.
Do you have any activity in mind? Do you go to some place, because your college is over now? Do you go somewhere?
Yeah.
Where do you go?
Right now, ma'am, I go. With this. I'm conducting classes with that. I'm attending classes as well.
You are attending classes of spoken English?
No. I'm attending some computer classes.
Okay, you are attending computer classes. Do people speak in English there in your computer classes?
No.
No one.
No.
Okay. Is there a mall in Panjim?
Malls,
shopping mall?
Everything is there. Everything is there in Panjim, but right now I am back to my village. No.
Oh, you are back to your village. But earlier, when you were in Panjim, till when were you in Panjim?
It was in 2020.
Okay, till 2020 you were there, and after that you came back to your village, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's say you went to a mall to buy something. What could it be? Let's say you want to go to a mall to buy something. What could it be?
Maybe dress.
Maybe a dress. You are in a mall and you are now seeing the dresses, and you want to tell the person that show me a dress. And let's say I am the salesperson and you are talking to me, and you want to see a nice dress for a party.
Okay.
So what will you say?
So what would I prefer, gender of yours, male or female?
Female.
Female, better. Yeah. Okay, madam, just show me a dress piece for a party in cotton. I want a long, as per my length. I am very tall, so I want a long gown.
Okay. You said show me a dresses or dresses.
Dress.
Okay.
Dress.
As per my length.
Show me a dress.
It won't be as per my length. It would be show me a dress as per my height. Show me a long dress as per my height. And what color would you prefer?
I prefer white or light pink.
Okay, you prefer white or light pink. We have two such dresses. Now choose between the two. So you can try the dress. Do you want to try it on?
Yeah, of course. Where is the change room?
Changing room. Changing room.
Changing room.
You can say where is the changing room, or you can say where is the trial room. It's over there. Us taraf hai, it's over there.
Yeah.
Now let's say you go there and you come back and you want to ask this sales girl कि मैं कैसी लग रही हूँ. How would you say that?
How is it? How I am looking? How I am looking?
You should say how do I look? How do I look?
Okay.
Okay. Or you can say how am I looking? How am I looking? You are asking me.
Okay.
Ask me.
Okay, ma'am. Is this dress suitable? Is this color suitable for me?
Yeah. Now ask me how do I look?
How do I look?
You're looking very beautiful. You're looking very
So,
beautiful. Now you are saying
is there
to
any
yourself. Now you are saying to yourself कि दूसरी dress भी try कर लेती हूँ. How will you say that?
what if I try the other dress as well with this?
Very good. Yes, yes. You can try the other
Okay,
one.
let's see.
Yeah. Yeah, you can go and try the other one also.
Okay. So
Here
now
you
I
go.
went and I came
Yeah,
out.
you came out, right. So now,
What about this dress?
oh my, this makes you look so pretty. This is so
Oh,
pretty.
thank you. And what
Which
about
one
the
do you want to
previous
buy?
one as compared to this?
No, previous one was also good. This is also good. You look good in both, but this one is looking better. Which one do
Okay.
you like better? Which one do you like better?
Even I like this one only. This is good.
तो you can say I liked this better. मुझे ये ज्यादा अच्छी लगी तो आप कैसे बोलोगे? Even I liked it better. I liked this better or I liked it better. Okay. So which one you want to buy, ma'am?
This one only.
This one only. But this one is costlier. This one is for 5,000 and that one is for 2,000. That one is for 2,000 and this one is for 5,000. Which one do you want to buy?
And ma'am, in this case, actually, I wanted to tell you before only कि when it comes to shopping, I'm very, because for me, my shopping is done by my parents.
Okay. Your mom does bargaining for you. Yeah?
No bargaining, ma'am.
Oh, no bargaining.
From 0 point to Z point, from A to Z, everything is done. I will just give you one hint that from here, from my place, native place, my village, from here, this thing, apna, Karnataka, Belgaum.
Mm-hmm.
It is of 2.5 hours.
Okay.
So they go for shopping before they used to go and they used to get what they know my height, my weight, whatever, everything they get it perfect for me. So I don't go for shopping anywhere. That is done everything for from my parents.
Okay.
So
But
I
your
don't have
mom,
any idea of.
but your mom bargains,
Yes.
doesn't she? Does she bargain?
Of course she does.
She does,
Of
no?
course she does.
Yeah. That is what I'm asking. Because in India, it's very common to bargain with the shopkeepers. And they also know that you are going to bargain.
I do have an experience because we ourselves, we are having our own mini mart here.
Okay. So what do you sell?
Everything like grocery product. Then other things like my mama is having her own business of all type of clothes she keeps.
She sells clothes.
Floor.
Flute.
Floor.
Flour. You mean to say atta, right?
Atta.
Atta is not flour, it's flour. Flour, but its pronunciation is flour. She sells flour. Okay. She sells grocery items, including flour, pulses. Is it
everything, so? Yeah.
Yeah. Does it happen that you are at the shop and someone comes and he says that you are selling the flour at an exorbitant price? It is overpriced.
Actually, in this case, our thing is the price is very fixed from beginning. It changes after many months, like after half a year or 1 year, like this.
Okay. So you change the price rarely. You increase the price rarely, and the price is economical.
Yeah, and in that case, ma'am, this flour is of such a case. Flour, as you say,
flour,
where once you eat that flour, no, you won't eat other.
You will never buy flour from some other place, from someone else. So what kind of flour is this? Is this whole wheat flour?
Yes, ma'am.
Gehu ka atta. Oh, you mean to say when someone once buys from your shop, he will never buy whole wheat flour from someone else?
When we have to arrange it before it ends, it gets finished. Before that only we arrange it and we keep it available so that there should be no this thing where we have to say our customer that we don't have flour.
Okay, so you, as soon as you know that it is going to finish, you order it again so that you don't have to tell your customers that we have run out of it.
Yeah, so we order it and we get delivery also of that thing because that factory is of my cousin.
Okay, this flour is made in your cousin's factory.
Yes, ma'am.
He delivers at your mother's shop and then you sell it from there.
Yeah. Now, ma'am, actually, we are keeping it in our shop. But before we were not having our shop. But still, from many years, my mama used to keep it inside our house. She used to,
For many years, she has been keeping it at your house. Okay, Alfia, tell me one thing. What's so special about this flower that once we taste this, we would never buy from someone else? What's so special about this flower?
I don't know, but the taste of that this thing chapati roti we say, it is
Yeah.
very tasty.
Okay, the taste of that chapati is something different, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. And after cooking, no, you won't get those black this thing on it, brown, black.
Brown and black
How we
spots
say
will not come when you
yeah,
bake the chapati. When we
no,
bake the
no, no.
chapati, you mean to say the brown and black spots will not come. Then how will the chapati be baked?
It comes, but it is not that rude one,
Okay.
which tastes very bad
Very
after
soft
some time.
spots will come.
Yeah.
Okay. So you mean to say your chakki is different, your whole wheat flour is different. So you
Actually,
very
everything is same, but the service what they provide, my cousin provide is they're having special people, special staff for that cleaning work, special staff. Then drying thing, everything is done very clean. Cleanliness is maintained there.
okay. Your cousin processes it in a way that it is different from the others and its cleanliness is maintained. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. With that, the delivery procedure is done before that delivery thing, the packing, then all those packing, and then putting in the rickshaw and everything. The delivery process is done in very systematic way.
Okay. If we eat flour from your chakki, people would say, "Kaun si chakki ka atta khati ho?" Yeah.
Yeah. Yes.
Oh, so you
And
sell
then
special flour, huh?
yeah.
Yeah. What were you saying?
That's the main thing. And even we when we shifted to Panjim, there also we got customers with that. Because
Okay.
not only wheat flour we keep everything, ragi, jawari, then bajri, chana flour.
Okay. Chana
Everything.
flour, ragi flour, whole wheat
Yeah.
flour, corn flour.
Yes,
These are all flour.
I've got that habit. Flowers.
So you're trying to practice English with your mom every day. And what else are you doing to improve your English?
I'm conducting classes as well, online as well as offline.
And are you watching videos and English content?
Of course, yeah, of course I watch sometimes, because not much, because I am not having that much time. Whole day I am having my busy schedule, busy life, running.
Okay. So,
When
Alfia,
I'm
if you
free,
want
I
to
am.
improve your English and you want that you don't make grammar mistakes, for that you will have to listen to English a lot. If you listen to English content, maybe if you don't have time and you are running here and there, you can just listen to English stories or podcasts or English songs. If you don't have time to watch, then you can listen. More and more English should go to your ears. The more you listen, more you will be able to speak. If you have less time, don't read, but listening is important. That you will have to do. I also listened to English a lot. Then only I started speaking.
Yeah.
Okay, Alfia, good luck. You will be fluent very soon if you keep working at it. Watch English content, read English content. If you keep doing that every day, you will definitely be fluent.
Okay.
So, my best wishes.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Have a good day. Bye
Thank
bye.
you. Same to you.